Surah Al-Talaq, Divorce. This surah is Medinan, containing 2 sections and 12 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
يا أيها النبي إذا طلقتم النساء فطلقوهن لعدتهن وأحصوا العدة واتقوا الله ربكم لا تخرجوهن من بيوتهن ولا يخرجن إلا أن يأتين بفاحشة مبينة وتلك حدود الله ومن يتعد حدود الله فقد ظلم نفسه لا تدري لعل الله يحدث بعد ذلك أمرا.
Dear Prophet, tell your nation that when you divorce women, divorce them considering their waiting period, i.e., iddah, and calculate their waiting period. Fear Allah, your Lord. Do not evict them from their homes, nor should they leave, unless they commit a clear act of indecency. These are the boundaries of Allah. Whosoever exceeds the boundaries of Allah has indeed wronged himself. You do not know? Perhaps Allah will create a new matter thereafter.
فإذا بلغن أجلهن فأمسكوهن بمعروف أو فارقوهن بمعروف وأشهدوا ذوي عدل منكم وأقيموا الشهادة لله ذلكم يوعظ به من كان يؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر ومن يتق الله يجعل له مخرجا.
So when they near the end of their prescribed duration of the waiting period, take them back with courtesy or release them with courtesy, and appoint 2 just witnesses among you, and establish the testimony for Allah. This is what he who believes in Allah and the last day is advised, and whosoever fears Allah, he will create a way out for him.
ويرزقه من حيث لا يحتسب ومن يتوكل على الله فهو حسبه إن الله بالغ أمره قد جعل الله لكل شيء قدرا.
And he will grant him sustenance from where he cannot even imagine. And whosoever places his trust in Allah, then he is sufficient for him. Indeed, Allah completes his decree. Indeed, Allah has specified a measure for everything.
واللائي يئسن من المحيض من نسائكم إن ارتبتم فعدتهن 3 أشهر واللائي لم يحضن وأولاة الأحمال أجلهن أن يضعن حملهن ومن يتق الله يجعل له من أمره يسرا.
As for those women who have exceeded the age of menstruation, if you are in doubt, then their waiting period is 3 months, and for those who did not menstruate as well. The waiting period for pregnant women is until they give birth. Whosoever fears Allah, he will make his matter easy for him.
ذلك أمر الله أنزله إليكم ومن يتق الله يكفر عنه سيئاته ويعظم له أجرا.
This is the command of Allah which He has sent down to you. And whosoever fears Allah, He will erase his sins from him and will make reward vast for him.
أسكنوهن من حيث سكنتم من وجدكم ولا تضاروهن لتضيقوا عليهن وإن كن أولات حمل فأنفقوا عليهن حتى يضعن حملهن فإن أرضعن لكم فآتوهن أجورهن وأتمروا بينكم بمعروف وإن تعاسرتم فسترضع له أخرى.
Let the women stay where you reside, according to your means, and do not harm them so that you constrain them. And if they are pregnant, then spend on them until they give birth. Then if they suckle the child for you, then give them their wage, and consult each other with courtesy. And if you face mutual difficulty, then soon another woman will suckle the child for him.
لينفق ذو سعة من سعته ومن قدر عليه رزقه فلينفق مما آتاه الله لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا ما آتاها سيجعل الله بعد عسر يسرا.
Let the affluent one spend from his wealth, and he whose sustenance has been limited, so let him spend whatever Allah has granted him. Allah does not burden a life except as much as He has given it. Soon Allah will create ease after difficulty.
وكأي من قرية عتت عن أمر ربها ورسله فحاسبناها حسابا شديدا وعذبناها عذابا نكرا.
How many cities rebelled against the order of their Lord and His messengers. So we took them to account rigorously, and we punished them severely.
فذاقت وبال أمرها وكان عاقبة أمرها خسرا.
So they tasted the evil of their matter, and the outcome of their matter was loss.
أعد الله لهم عذابا شديدا فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب الذين آمنوا قد أنزل الله إليكم ذكرا.
Allah has prepared severe punishment for them. So fear Allah, O possessors of insight who believe. Indeed, Allah has sent down this advice to you.
رسولا يتلو عليكم آيات الله مبينات ليخرج الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات من الظلمات إلى النور ومن يؤمن بالله ويعمل صالحا يدخله جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا قد أحسن الله له رزقا.
A messenger who recites the clear verses of Allah to them, that he may bring forth those who believe and do righteous deeds from the darkness towards the light. And whosoever believes in Allah and does righteous deeds, He will make him enter gardens beneath which rivers flow. They will reside therein forever. Indeed, Allah has made excellent sustenance for him.
الله الذي خلق 7 سماوات ومن الأرض مثلهن يتنزل الأمر بينهن لتعلموا أن الله على كل شيء قدير وأن الله قد أحاط بكل شيء علما.
Allah is He who created 7 heavens and their equivalent from the earth. The decree descends between them, so that you may come to know that Allah has power over everything, and that the knowledge of Allah encompasses everything.